Hey guys, it's Annabelle. Welcome back to my channel. So by the title of today's video, I'm sure you guys can guess what we're doing, but first I want to go ahead and start off with a PV unbox. So big shout out to Pura Vida Bracelets for sponsoring today's video. Pura Vida has this super awesome bracelet monthly club subscription where you receive Pura Vida bracelets in the mail every month. I just so happen to be lucky enough to receive a package from them this month. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the goodies that I received. First, it starts off with a super cute blue teal packaging. It comes looking like this. Super cute, super aesthetically pleasing. Next, once you open it, it comes with this super cute card, and then it actually opens. And then on the inside of this little card, you receive another little goodie, which is another card, and it tells you all about the super awesome things that this bracelet subscription does to give back to the community. And I want to tell you guys a little bit about what it does. It has 4 little things on the back that tells what Pura Vida does to give back to the community. But to sum it up in a sentence, Pura Vida Bracelets provides full-time jobs worldwide for all artisans, and it gives back to the community, which is really awesome, just by creating some really dope products. But that's not all. Also, in this little envelope pocket, you receive another goodie, which is a sticker. This is the cutest little sticker. It looks like a mountain, which I really love, and this is super cute. You can put it on a water bottle or a laptop cover, wherever you want to put it, maybe the back of your phone. But yeah, we love Pura Vida stickers. So that is all that came in the little envelope. Next, we have our actual bracelets, which I get to show you guys. So here it is. Next, we have the Pura Vida bracelets in this adorable reusable pouch. On the back, it says, founded in Costa Rica, your subscription helps provide full-time jobs for artisans worldwide, which I just told you guys, and that's super awesome. And then on the front, it says Pura Vida Bracelets Monthly Club. I am so excited to open this. Oh my god. Okay, not gonna lie, I've totally been wearing my bracelets because I love them. So once I opened my little pouch, I actually received 3 adorable bracelets. This is so cute. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. I'll give you guys a close-up look of what they look like, but I will show you guys right here. I have this adorable black and gold one. Then I have this gray one with some super cool beads on it. And then I have this like mauve pink crystallized bracelet. It's super cute. So this is the first little bracelet that I received. It's this black braided bracelet with these 5 little charms on it. When I look at this bracelet, I kind of get like a moon vibe from it. There's 5 charms, but the 2 on the outside look like little moons, and then on the inside some more moons, and then the middle charm says Pura Vida on it, and it looks like it'd be just like a little full moon, and it's super cute. I love this. I love having like adorable little charm bracelets. Like, that's so cute. So I'm gonna put this one on my wrist right now. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is so cute. So that is what it's looking like right now, ladies and gentlemen. Look how cute. We love it, but there's more. So next we have the gray one. This one's super cute. It looks like gold and clear beads on it, and it's just all over the bracelet, and it kind of looks like the regular Pura Vida bracelets or the original ones, but there's just beads, and it's a solid color. It's super cute. It's super simple, but it's also like a lot going on, if that makes sense. I don't know. I really love this bracelet. Personally, it's my favorite out of this pack, and we're gonna slip this one on as well. This is just like the perfect arm candy, you know? Like, this is just what you need. Pura Vida on both hands. Give me a whoop whoop. There we go. And it has these adorable beads, you guys. I love. Oh my god, I love. And then lastly, we have this adorable mauve pink super simple bracelet. I believe this is their new rose quartz bracelet. It's super cute. It has like this little crystal in the middle. I love it, and I'm just gonna slip this one on as well. I'm so excited. I love these bracelets. And just like, that is something you get to look forward to every month, is knowing that you get Pura Vida in the mail every month. Like, that is so cool. That's dope if you ask me. Oh my god, it looks so good. Y'all. Sorry, I'm from the South. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I love. So those are the bracelets, guys. I'm completely obsessed with Pura Vida. So that's it for today's PV unbox. Be sure to go check out Pura Vida Bracelets and join their monthly subscription to get some super cute products in exchange for a really awesome cause. I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.